So the ideal bedtime for a 1-year-old would be around 6 o'clock in the evening, and amount of sleep for a 1-year-old we would say is around 12 to 13 hours of solid, uninterrupted sleep overnight. And that doesn't change for a while, does it?
No, absolutely not. That bedtime, that consistent 12 to 13 hours of sleep is what our babies and even our older babies, so our 12 to 18 months of age, require.
Everywhere you look, there's ranges. So a baby will need 10 to 12 hours of overnight sleep. We can guarantee that the babies who are getting the 12 hours are going to be much better rested and happier and more content than the babies who are getting the 10 hours. So we really believe that all babies of a similar age should be getting that similar amount of sleep.
Absolutely.
No matter what their temperament, what they look like, who they are.
Physical characteristics, all of those things are different, but in terms of a baby's optimum sleep needs. So really in terms of that, it's about saying, really a 6 p.m. bedtime, sleeping through the night with really no feeds at that age. They're certainly
about 6 to 7 a.m.
period.
Wake up, which is when the sun rises, we're naturally sort of designed to wake at that time.